Hey guys, this is Jamie and Lola Tallulah, Poet Spice, and I am here to do an unboxing of the May kit for the Not Too Shabby shop. If you do not know already, the Not Too Shabby shop is putting out a monthly kit. And for this kit, you can subscribe and get it every month, or you can do a one-off every month. And there is always something good in there. So this started in February, I think, with the Valentine's Day box. And then you have the April box, which is all about getting comfy and having all your wonderful things around you, being calm. And then you have this May box. And what is this May box about, you ask? From the Not Too Shabby shop, it is about coffee. Now, I know all these people out there are about their coffee, their lattes, and so forth. Me personally, I'm a tea gal. I don't drink coffee, but you know, hey, the images can be cute. And what can be a coffee cup can be a tea cup. Or a hot chocolate cup. Either way it goes. So I'm going to show you what is in this kit. Well, I'm going to show you what this, I'll do the stamps first. So here is this cute little stamp. And Jamie designed this one. Look at his little face. Well, actually, it's a big face because it's a pretty size. It's a pretty good sized animal. How cute is that? And then, of course, you've got some little treats over here. I guess this is, I don't know, it kind of looks like a iced tea maybe or something like that, or a lemonade drink that you could have. And then your traditional looking coffee cup. And I'm on the coffee diet. Yum, y'all. And we go together like coffees and donuts. Oh, yes. For me, it would be tea and crumpets. So then there is this set. And there's 3 sets in here. So you have this little cup and a spoon. You've got your little coffee bag. This little thing here. Your croissant, a donut. And this is so funny. Ya mocha me, happy baby, ya mocha me. And then here's this little face that you could put on the cup or put over here. You could put down here too. And you can use that. Coffee beans. Then you have this stamp set and it says, drink the coffee, do the crafts. May your coffee kick in before reality. Amen. Although, like I said, I don't drink coffee. Powered by Pixie and... Oh, by Pixie Dust and Coffee. Mom Fuel. All I need is coffee and scissors. Lashes, long, and coffee strong. Now, normally I don't sit there and read it to you or whatever, but you can't, it's kind of hard to read words on stamps. So those are the 3 stamp sets that come in your kit. And you will be able to buy things separately on the site, so don't forget that. And of course, you know, you have to make sure you get it before it runs out. Then you have 2 sets of ephemera. So you have ephemera die cut pieces. And you have these die cut pieces. So here, let's see. I'll go ahead and take them out for you. You'll have, well, I see some food in there. So you have donuts, some words, good day start with coffee. These little cups, look at that, with some cookies. Cookies. They remind me of Girl Scout cookies. This is a cute one. Coffee time. So you have that set, and then you have the second set. So you do get a good deal of product in these kits, so you definitely want to check that out. And then, like I said, you can always go and get individual pieces if you do not want to have the whole kit. So you've got little coffee cups. Look at the donut. A panda donut. The bear. That is funny. That's cute. Some little cuppies. What is that called? Like a boba cup or something? cupcake. Ooh, haha, the kitty donut. I don't know what, the little kawaii cup. And then I think they repeat. So you get 2 sets of die cuts. And I think these are, yeah, those are just the centers for the donuts. And then there are 2 paper pads. So let me show you the first one. I took it out of the package. It's 6 by 6 and it's Coffee and Friends. 2 of each design, and they're double-sided. So you can see the selection. And of course, if you know me, I do love blue, so that is awesome. So you have your little cups with the blue. These cups. This would make such a cute little house. This one. I love that color. The little chocolates. These are huge. I forget who she said designs the paper. But you can look on her video and she'll tell you who designs the papers. So cute. Now you will notice that they are, I don't think it says the GSM, but they're pretty sturdy. But you'll also see that they have like a little shiny coating on them. So if you were to stamp on it, you definitely would have to use something like Stays On to get it to stay. Ooh, that's a nice brown. Look at that brown. Ooh, coffee beans. That is pretty. These cups are cute. Oh my gosh. This is the first time I'm actually looking through it myself. So we're getting a treat. Oh, now funny. Apparently the pun is intended. Coffee and treats. So here's your second pack. Oh my gosh. The little cupcakes that you saw. And this time you get 4 of each design. So there's coffee, and then I guess those are supposed to be like, I don't know, crumbs or something. And that doesn't look right. Oh, okay. I thought I messed it up. Cups. And then it's got, oh, but maybe you get 3. No, it says 4. So you got this. Okay, there we go. So you have this one, and that has the pink polka dots. You've got your little latte design. But see, this could be a fall page because of the colors and the way it looks. So if you didn't know this was coffee cups, you could make it into a fall page on both sides. So you don't know, that might end up being what I do with it. So there's that for this one. And then you have this set with, I'm going to call it crumbles. It might be glitter. My eyes are going ridiculous. So maybe that's supposed to be glitter. All right. Obviously, it's not the kind that rubs off. Okay, so that is the pack that is coming to you if you decide to purchase this from the Not Too Shabby Shop. All right, thanks for watching. Definitely click that like and subscribe. Definitely share. Definitely go over and check out what's going on at the Not Too Shabby Shop.